writing style informative. Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a topic that might not be the most glamorous, but hey, it's incredibly important for our health, and that's fiber. More specifically, we're talking about the top 9 high-fiber cereals that can help keep you regular and support your digestive health. So, let's get started. First up, we have Bran Flakes. These aren't just your grandma's go-to cereal. They're packed with a whopping 7 grams of fiber per serving. They're perfect for kickstarting your day with a fiber boost. Next, we can't overlook the powerhouse that is whole grain oats. Whether in a warm bowl of oatmeal or a crunchy granola, oats are not only versatile but also offer about 4 grams of fiber per cup. Moving on, let's talk about barley. This might be a less common breakfast choice, but barley can be a delicious cereal base. It's great for those who like to mix things up, and bonus, it packs about 6 grams of fiber per cup. Number 4 is the ever-popular quinoa. Often considered a superfood, quinoa is not only protein-rich but also provides around 5 grams of fiber per cup when cooked. Mix it with some fruits and you've got a tasty, fibrous breakfast. Halfway through our list is amaranth. This ancient grain doesn't get as much limelight as it should. It's gluten-free, high in protein, and offers about 5 grams of fiber per cup. Next, we have rye flakes. Similar to oats, rye flakes can be used for porridge or granola, providing about 8 grams of fiber per cup. They have a distinctive flavor that pairs well with both sweet and savory toppings. Seventh on our list is spelt. This nutty-flavored ancient grain offers about 5 grams of fiber per cup. It's a great way to boost the fiber content of your morning meal without changing much of the taste or texture. Coming in at number 8, we have sorghum. Often used in popped form, it's like a healthier version of popcorn. Each cup provides about 5 grams of fiber, making it a perfect snack or cereal base. And last but not least, millet. This grain is often overlooked in favor of more common choices, but provides around 2 grams of fiber per cup. It's mild and versatile, perfect for anyone who's looking to increase their fiber intake gradually. And there you have it, folks. The top 9 high-fiber cereals that are not only tasty, but also beneficial for your digestive health. Remember, incorporating a variety of these grains into your diet can make a significant impact on your overall well-being. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more health tips and nutritional advice. Until next time, keep it healthy and delicious.